Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix try again Google Play Store problem on the Android. So if your Play Store on the Android is not working properly and it will again and again giving you an error, first of all make sure your phone is connect with your internet, and if it's already internet and still not working, simply open your settings and go to the apps and the notification from here, and from here you have to search for the Google Play Store. Once you will here, and you will see multiple options. Simply tap on the storage and the cache and click on the clear storage. Also it will clear your cache, and once you will done with it, and try again to open your Google Play Store, maybe your Google Play Store will start working. This trick will be work for you. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.